Today I'm going to talk to you about the sous vide technology. What is sous vide? It is a very common technique used in fine dining restaurants, and thanks to the Scombi steam available to your own place, is today getting a lot of popularity. Actually cooking at very low precise temperature your fish, meat and vegetables is going to optimize the taste and flavor of your product. Today I'm going to show you very easy, simple steak sous vide technology. Just fold your bags to leave this space here clear, because it's the way the vacuum seal machine is going to seal it. So then I'm going to season this nice beef steak. The vacuum seal machine is going to extract the air and seal the bags just to protect your food from the bacteria. Today I picked a nice oven, which is the Asco, simply because it offered the great opportunity to me to use the sous vide function. That means it allows me to increment the temperature for 1 degree per time, which then means gives you a very sharp temperature control of the oven. Here I got my steak sous vide for 45 minutes. This one could be eaten straight away, open bag. I just sear it a little bit to get a nice caramelization on the meat. Simply finish with a touch of salt, crackle of pepper, and some extra virgin olive oil. Very simple to replicate. Visit your local Winning Appliances store to book a private one-on-one with your local product or culinary expert today.